Hi, I'm Lynette, aka London Makeup Artistry, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you another eyeshadow tutorial based on this look right here. It's a nice smoky dark brown. So if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe because I do tutorials on my channel very often. I bring you a new video every Saturday. Now I think this is a warm look, right? This is warm, right? Okay, I don't know. You ever had a bad makeup day? I'm having a bad makeup day today. It took like 2 hours for me to film this tutorial. And not because this is a hard look. You're going to see it's quite easy. I was just things just weren't going right. I was filming it and I was looking at it. I'm like, I mean, now that I see it done, I think it's pretty. I like it. I hope you like it. You let me know. Do you like this? I like it. But the eyelashes were a hot mess today. I had to take them off and put them back on, and I've never successfully done that, and I don't think I was successful today either. I just wasn't working. No, these lashes whipped my ass today. And you know, just when I was saying, oh, I think I'm getting the hang of putting on false eyelashes, and it's like the universe heard me and they were like, oh, you think so? Okay, we can fix that. So yeah, I even ended up cutting them. I think maybe that's been the problem with my eyelash application. I've been much better at placing them, but I don't think I've been cutting them properly. I think they've been too long. So when I get them right, placed correctly here, they get wonky. Either they're too close here on my inner eye or they're too far down here on my outer eye. So I cut these, and I don't know if it looks good. I don't think it looks good, but it looks better than what it was. And you'll see in the tutorial, because by the time the end of the tutorial, they were looking real wonky. And I was like, I gotta take these off and try again. A hot mess. My face is a hot mess. Lately, I've been feeling like none of my foundation matches me. And it's my winter colors, and it is winter out here. And I don't know if it's just me but I mixed them today, and I don't think I did a good job with that. So I'm all broken out. Again, just the other day I was thinking, saying to myself, it's not looking, my face is looking a little better. And it's like my face hurt me. It was like, oh, you think so? We can fix that. Yeah, I was having one of those days today, guys. But I think all in all, the look came out well. The only thing that was really working for me today was my hair. My hair must have known I was struggling. I was struggling. And it said, girl, we're going to help you out today. We're going to help you out. So thanks, girl. All right, so enough chit chat. If you'd like to see how I achieve this brown smoky eye today, then keep on watching. I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with the concealer from ColourPop. This is in the shade Deep Golden. And this is going to help create a blank canvas for which to place those shadows on top. It just cancels out all of the darkness and discoloration on my lid. All the products I mentioned will be listed in the description box below. And then I'm going to set it with this NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow. It's a matte shadow, Blame It on Midnight. That's virtually the same color as my skin, and that's just to set the concealer. Now I'm going in with Gingerbread by Coloured Raine. I will be using all Coloured Raine single shadows for this look, and I'm just placing that all over the lid and in the crease. And then I'm going into the crease with Moments, which is a darker warm brown, and I am going to blend that out using back and forth and motions and circular motions. And this is going to set the tone for the shades I'm going to be adding in the crease and also on the lid. I believe this is a Studio Pro BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush that I'm using, and I really like it. And now I'm just going back in with that Gingerbread with no extra product on the brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that dark brown I just put in the crease, because, you know, we want to make sure it's all blended and smooth. Now I'm going in with Chocolate, another deep dark brown, and I'm placing that in the crease as well, but a little lower than where I put that Moments shade. And this one is going lower into the crease and even a ways on the eyelid. And I'm using my NYX number 16 blending brush to blend that in. Going back in with Moments just to make sure that those two colors blend in evenly and smoothly together, because we don't want any harsh lines or edges. We want this to be all one smooth brown look that goes from light to dark to darker. Going back in with Secrets. No, now I'm going in with the lid shade, and that's Secrets, and it is a nice brown shimmer shade. Normally, I would have wet this eyeshadow, but I really didn't want there to be a big difference between the matte shades and the shimmer shades today. I really sort of wanted to keep it brown and even though they're not all matte eyeshadows. So I didn't wet it, and I'm just going to keep packing that shadow on my lid. I believe this is a Sigma flat shader brush, large flat shader brush. And this is a really pretty shimmer shade. It's not, it's not too intense, but very pretty. You can see the shimmer, and it blends in well with all of the eyeshadows I've placed on the eye thus far. And now I'm just going back in with that brush I used for chocolate to blend, and then I'm blending those edges again, because you don't want to see where one shadow ends and the other begins. Now I'm going back in with that NYX shade, and I'm using that to blend those edges, and I'm using it as a matte underbrow highlight. Now I'm just tight lining with my Wet n Wild eyeliner in the color brown. This is all brown look, y'all. And then I'm going on to the eyelid with that brown as well, because I'm going to put on some false lashes. And I want to darken up that lash line. And now I'm using my Clinique High Impact mascara, which I really like. And I'm going in with my favorite lashes, the Kiss lashes, in the style Shy. And now I'm just using that Wet n Wild brown eyeliner in my waterline and going back in with Moments on the lower lash line. Gonna blend out that eyeliner a little bit and just start smoking out the lower lash line. And I think this is Chocolate. And I'm going back in. So I used both Chocolate and Moments on the lower lash line. And making sure I connect it with those shadows on my lid. And I'm just blending it out with this pencil brush. I think this is my new NYX Cosmetics blender pencil brush. And now I'm going in with Glisten. And this is Coloured Raine as well. And I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And I'm using it dry. And these are the eyes completed. Nice and brown with just a hint of shimmer on the lid. And I think it came out well. Okay, those are the eyes completed, and I finished off today's look with a brown lip because you know how I like my monochromatic makeup looks. And today I used, no, I didn't use MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Can you believe it? Yeah, I was feeling lazy today, and it's downstairs and I'm upstairs and I didn't feel like going down there to get it. So today I used my ColourPop lip liner in the color Pitch, and it is just a brown, a dark brown lip liner. Now look at this. This is why I don't like the ColourPop packaging. This plastic container, and the tip is all the way down there, and then it like comes out. You see that? You see that? And then it goes back in. I actually like ColourPop's lip liners, but I don't purchase them. I haven't purchased one in a really long time since they first came out because I don't like the packaging. Anywho, that's the ColourPop lip liner in Pitch. And then the lip today, sorry, almost dropped it. And the lip today is courtesy of Kat Von D, and this is in the color Crucifix. So that's the look today, guys. Fairly easy. Smoky brown eye. I don't do a lot of warm looks on my channel, and I wanted to do one today, so this is what I came up with. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I do eyeshadow tutorials, reviews, and other beauty related videos here every week on my channel every Saturday. So thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye bye.